Alright guys, it's going to be a quick video here, but basically what I'm doing is going and installing those 41-128 ACDelco spark plugs on the L83 truck. Now they got the supercharger installed. Still waiting on some last minute parts I had to get, so I figured I might as well, while I'm waiting, go ahead and take advantage of that and do the spark plugs, since I already have this splash shield removed, which makes, as you can see, hopefully inside there, really easy access to all the plugs. Doing it from the top, I guess, is possible. Probably extremely difficult and have to contort your body in weird angles, but just removing the splash shield, you have in the wheel well, you have direct access to all the plugs. So yeah, so let's see, kind of glad I went and did this, because I found out here on the passenger side that this front plug was loose. Pretty loose, actually so loose that it was, you probably can't see it in the video, but it was spitting oil out a little bit and getting on the engine block. I actually noticed that from above and thought I might have a coolant leak or something, but after coming in here and starting to do the plugs, I noticed that that was not the issue. It was actually the spark plug was loose, not so much about to pop out, but enough to probably cause some performance issues on that cylinder. So anyways, just another reason why you should tighten these down pretty good. I mean, ideally using the torque specs. But anyways, these are the E3s that I pulled out. So these are, from you guys remember in the last videos, one of the other videos, the spark plugs I replaced my 41114s with, and those are the ACDelco 41114s. Those come in your LT1s, LT3s, LT6. It's kind of a common denominator, I think, for your V8s, besides that are not supercharged. So you can see it's pretty good condition. These have been in here for, gosh, well, good several thousand miles. One big difference I've noticed in these plugs compared to the first spark plug change I did, there was a lot of oil all over the plug. Not on all of them, but quite a few of them, and I believe the major reason why that was the case is due to the positive crankcase ventilation. You know, it's recycling crankcase vapors, and with that comes oil and gets in your combustion chamber. So a little bit of heavy, well, I wouldn't say heavy, but some normal carbon buildup here on the ends, probably just due to the tuning, running this thing a little bit richer. But what I'm really happy to see is that that catch can is working and not getting oil as bad, or getting any oil most likely into the combustion chamber. So yeah, I got the passenger side here just finished up, and gonna go move over to the driver's side, but just figure I would share, since I have these things already pulled out, kind of what it looks like, and kind of and then I'm installing the 112.8. I wasn't just fibbing about that. But alright, I'll leave it short and quick, and see you guys on the next video.